H2O, Where Did You Go? Is a fun elementary school assembly which addresses water science, the reasons for water conservation, and how students can be water smart.
Or soup or something like that. Oh, when you're all done, you got to wash the dishes. The dishes are dirty. It takes a lot of water for families.
This production uses music, humor, demonstration, and audience participation to engage and motivate K through 6 students to respect and conserve water.
Conserve means use just the water you need and don't waste it.
Well, I will do my part and stop brushing my teeth.
Turn it on, please. Everybody! Louder!
To book this assembly or one of our other programs, go to showsthatteach.com.